Okay, even though this is only a 6mm piece of metal, I'm going to take it in 3 passes. Already, put your pin down, make sure your pin's down before you get into your pattern too far. Okay. First pass. Raise your bit up a bit. Right, now I've got a piece of paper, double-sided tape to the front, and now what I want to do is just raise it up until I'm just touching that. There you go, I think. Yeah, that's just touching it, so that's just below the surface of the perspex, I hope. Well, I'll point out, this was bolted on, but that wasn't enough, so I've got a little bit of double-sided tape on both the pattern part and the off-cut part, so that cuts out properly. I've just got to clean the fuzzies off with a bit of sandpaper, but that should be a copy. These peel off easy in a minute. There we go. So just a bit of clean up to do with that, and that's a perfect copy of the thing on the top. Thanks for watching.